Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will guide you through connecting a device to your Windows 11 computer using Bluetooth. Whether it's headphones, a speaker, or a keyboard, we will show you the process clearly so you can have your device ready in no time. First, right-click on the Start icon at the bottom of your screen. Next, click on Settings from the list that appears. Next, on the left sidebar, select Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure the Bluetooth toggle is switched on so your computer can detect other devices. After that, click on Add a Device at the top of the page. A new window will appear asking you to choose the type of device you want to connect. Select Bluetooth from the list. Windows 11 will start searching automatically for nearby Bluetooth devices that are in pairing mode. Once your device appears in the list, click on it to connect. Once the connection is successful, your device will be ready to use immediately, and you can start enjoying its features. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.